Hey everybody, I have a package. Now that package, that white bag looks familiar. We recognize those from things that we get from China, but this did not come from China. No, it came from Texas. It came from Texas. It came from a company called Crazy for Diamond Paintings. Now, here's a story. I always have a story. Here's a story of a lovely lady. She was looking on the internet for something. When this company popped up, she had to check them out. And that's how we have this package on the counter. I'm sorry. I just had to do that. All right. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. I was actually searching on the internet for... I was making a thumbnail. That's what I was doing. I'm never going to get this open. Seriously. Never, ever, ever, ever. And I think there's bubble wrap in here as well. All right. I was searching for a picture of diamond painting pens. Like, you know, more than one. Just a nice collection. Yep, there's bubble wrap too. A nice collection of diamond painting pens. Okay. Well, in doing so, weird things started coming up. Diamond painting companies and things like that. This stuff, I don't know what they make this stuff out of, but it is the toughest plastic I've ever dealt with in my life, right? Okay, come on. And it's taped to the bubble wrap. And this company came up. Oh, man. Okay, and I checked it out. And they had something I've never seen before. I was like, okay, yeah, let me look into this. And then I ended up with a painting as well. So what I looked at originally was not a painting, but I ended up with a painting. Oh. Whew! I feel like I just ran a marathon. Seriously. So, yeah, I ended up with a painting and the other item I was looking for. Okay? So, like I said, they're in Texas, so this came like, you know, in like a week or so. Yeah, okay. My note is my inventory, my painting, and my other item says it's in the box. I know it's in the box. I can hear it in there. All right, there's another item in the box besides the painting. And that is what, there it is right there. Okay, all right. Oh, that's a sticker. That's a piece of the box. What else do we have? We got all kinds of stuff in here. There's just all kinds of stuff like rattling around in here. Toolkit. All right, drills with an inventory sheet, yay. And it's all been wrapped around the painting. Here's the painting. Oh, double-sided adhesive. Okay, I wasn't certain. But I like it when it comes this way if it's double-sided adhesive. I really do. Makes it. There's more stuff. Hang on. I think there's more stuff trying to come out. No, maybe not. Okay. All right. So I do like it when it comes this way. If it's double-sided adhesive, it's not so tight. It's not so hard to, you know, get it to lay flat and stuff. Look at that nice back to our canvas. Okay, looks good. All right, I'm just going to lay it here for now. And I'll get to that in a minute and show you more about that. Let's look at all the rest of this stuff first. Okay, box, more box. All right, so... Oh, believe in your own magic. That's beautiful. Crazyfordiamondpaintings.com. That's where I went. And this. And here's their card. I got a card. Believe in your own magic. Crazy for Diamond Paintings. For all your diamond painting needs. Trey and Cheryl Dugan. Amarillo, Texas. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Some little diamond paper clips. Those are cute. And here is the toolkit that goes with our painting. A basic toolkit with a 3-placer on your pen. Pink pen, tweezers, tray, a couple baggies. Pretty basic toolkit. All right. Like I said, here's our drills. And there's an inventory sheet. I can see that, but let's look at this first. Let's just do this first. No, let's not do that first. Let's make you wait, because that's the thing that I came to the site for. So look, they have their website at the bottom. I can see that. All right. They got a legend over here with the symbols and the DMC codes. Before I open this up, let's just look at this. I'll show you the image here first. Now, it's one of those places, they don't have like a ton of paintings, but they had, you know, several pages to look through. They got a nice little logo on the top of this. Crazy, with a 4, the number 4. This dog, he's just been barking all day long, you guys. Toffee May. Shh. So let me show you what I got. All right, here's our inventory sheet. Isn't that cool? That is really cool. And it's so neat. It's like this stained glass effect, a waterfall. Isn't it pretty? It's a 40 by 50 round, as you can see. And here are all of our symbols. See, there's that logo I was telling you about. Cute, right? Crazy 4 diamond paintings. Anyhow, paintings with an S. Don't forget the S, okay? 38 colors. Pretty cool. So it's coming in this type of drill packaging. So they tell you how many bags of each color you should have, right? So you can go through and you can inventory these and make sure they're all there. I mean, you can see the colors. I'm not going to go through every color, but we have, let's just make a mess. Blues, whites, yellows, grays. They're going everywhere. Who cares? It's fun. It's fun. More blues. Greens, creams. Here's a dark one. Oh, that's 310. We got some 310s. More blues, browns, greens. Fun, fun, fun. Look at, I just made a big mess. Wasn't that fun? Woo, yeah. Yeah. Okay. What are we going to do with these? We're going to unstick the bag and we're going to go like this. We'll come back and we'll inventory later. Later. All right. Okay. Well, my last double-sided adhesive, you guys, I had some struggles with, but it was about, you know, 6 times this size too. So we'll see. I do want to look at it though. So let's pull it back. Let's see how we go. Let's see how we go. All right. So here's what I will tell you right off the bat. It has training wheels. Or guide circles, as I come to call them, guide circles. But let me tell you what, this canvas is excellent. Excellent shape. Yep. All right. I don't see one bubble, one river, one ripple. It is like a sheet of glass. It's beautiful. All right, so like I said, it does have guide circles, but they're not terrible. Okay, and the fact that we don't have a whole bunch of light colors, I don't think they're going to show. All right. Yeah, some of them are super, super light. Like this symbol here doesn't even really have a guide circle. Some do, some don't. Some have white guide circles. So I think that they're not going to show, they're not glaring out at me. You know what I mean? They're not just going, ooh, ooh, guide circle, circle, circle. You know what I mean? So this canvas though is literally perfect. Literally perfect. Not one bubble or river on this canvas. Isn't it pretty though? I love it. It's gorgeous. Of course it's sticky. Double-sided adhesive is always sticky, right? It's in fantastic shape. Just like I said, if you're gonna do double-sided adhesive, put it in the box around the drills. I think when they roll them really tight on those foam rollers, you just get all kinds of issues. All right, so there's that. I love the painting. It's so pretty. And look at all the pretty colors. Look at that pretty colors. Right? We'll get to that later. 38 colors. There's the image one more time. Look at that sun. It's so pretty. I love it. I like it. Okay? I like it. All right. Now, what took me to the site originally is in this box. Some of you may think this is crazy. I think it is cool. If we can get it open. Again, with the tape and the... Come on. Open sesame. Tape, tape, tape. Oh, nice box. Love the box. Love the box. So you have any guesses what it is right now? Any guesses? I told you I was hunting for pens, right? It's a pen. But it is a pen like none other I have ever seen. Are you ready to see this? I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. Not out, but in. We're going to zoom you in a little bit and show you what's in the box. Maybe not that much. Maybe not that much. Maybe that much. Are you ready? I love the box. Okay. Ooh, it is pretty. Okay, first of all, let me show you. We got a baggie of placers. We even get one of the white tipped. Look at that. A white tip, placers, straightener, all kinds of stuff. And blue wax. Blue wax. Love it. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. How do I get this out of here? Okay. Whoa. Whoa, you guys. This is cool. Okay. Look at this. Comes with a single placer. Look at it. It's only going to be one end. You can put a multi-placer on it if you want, or you can use it as a single placer. It is glass. That is glass. Yes. I mean, look at that tip. You can tell it's glass. I saw this and I was like, whoa. Okay, now, yeah, you're going to have to be careful with it because it's glass. Will it break? Absolutely. This is one you don't want just rolling around on your table or anything. But look at how they have wow. The little piece here where you put your placers in. That's even glass, you guys. That's cool. Isn't it gorgeous? They had several colors. They had, I don't know, 6 or 7, maybe 8 different ones. I just fell in love with this. Now, I had to get it. This reminds me, okay, here's another story. You know, Mindy and her stories. Dale and I went to Dollywood one year. And if you know anything about Dollywood, they have lots of handcraft items there, and you can buy things. We bought these glass icicles for our Christmas tree. I love these glass icicles. They're just like a little swirl, little icicle, lots of different colors. We got different, we got a red, a pink, a green, they're so pretty. And when I saw this, that is what it reminded me of, was our icicles that we bought. And it's so smooth because it's glass, right? Super smooth. I mean, it's got some, it's not perfectly cylindrical. Is that the word I'm looking for? There's a little divot right here, but that's fine. Oh my gosh. So that's what I had to get. That is what I had to get. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, I have to be careful with it for sure because, it is glass and it gets pretty thin down here at this end. I can see, this would be an easy place for it to break. Now, they weren't all completely smooth like this. Some of them had, like twists, where you could feel the twisty in the glass, but this one is just smooth. It's beautiful. Wow, it's beautiful. And I think it was, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was like $20. It wasn't very much. I mean, you know, in the scheme of things, it didn't cost that much. $20. It's so pretty. So I'm going to use it for sure. Carefully, but I'm going to use it. Right? So I was looking for purple. They didn't have a purple, but the blue was beautiful. Anyhow, that's what I got. And I went for the pen and then saw they had paintings and added on the painting because, you know, why not? So that's what I did. So there you go, guys. This is what happens when you start hunting around in Google and Google starts popping things up. You never know what you're going to find. So thanks for watching, everybody. And they had other pens too that weren't glass. Let me just say that. They had other pens that were not glass. So they had a nice selection of pens. So you might want to check it out. All right. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Liking, subscribing, buying me a coffee, all those things. I appreciate everything you do. Until next time, have a great day. And happy diamond painting. Bye, everybody.